Types of memory chip. Memory chips are classified mainly based on their capacity to retain stored data when power is turned off or interrupted, and how easily stored data can be altered, that is, overwritten. Random access memory RAM is a type of memory chip. When people talk about computer memory, they usually mean the volatile RAM memory. Physically, this memory consists of integrated circuit IC chips, either on motherboard or on small circuit board attached to motherboard. A computer's motherboard usually has flexibility to easily add more memory chips for enhancing the memory capacity of the system. Hence, if a user decides to have more memory than his her computer currently has, he or she can buy more memory chips and plug them in empty memory slots on the motherboard. So, RAM can be increased. Normally, service engineers do this job. Additional RAM chips which plug into special sockets on motherboard are known as single inline memory modules, SIMMs. So RAM chips are of two types. First is dynamic and static. Dynamic RAM DRAM uses an external circuitry to periodically regenerate or refresh storage charge to retain the stored data. On the other hand, static RAM SRAM does not need any special regenerator circuit to retain the stored data. Since it takes more transistors and other devices to store a bit in static RAM SRAM, these chips are more complicated and take up more space for given storage capacity than dynamic RAMs do. Moreover, a static RAM is faster, costlier, and consumes more power than dynamic RAM. Due to these reasons, large memories use dynamic RAM, and static RAM is used mainly for specialized applications. The main memory of most computers uses dynamic RAM. So basically, RAMs are of two types. First is static and dynamic. So RAM is a volatile memory and it is writable memory. And the information stored in RAM is for very temporary period.